How to make the future. Let's talk about electric vehicles. They're amazing, just like regular cars but with zero emissions on the road. Zero! Which is why they're becoming more and more popular. To use a ludicrous analogy, think of them like a delicious ice cream entirely made of kale. What? Just as tasty as normal ice cream but healthier? Somebody pinch me! Ow, ow! So obviously, lots of people are gonna want one, which comes with its own challenges, like producing more kale, increasing distribution, and matching the higher demand at peak times, without overstocking because, like ice cream, excess electricity just goes to waste. So what's Shell focusing on? We're providing recharging solutions in our forecourts, as well as in shops, offices, and even homes. Now that's how to make the future.